ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। येन धौता गिरः पुंसां विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां गुण्यां करोम्यहं पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीम्। हरि ओम्। We have finished this. Ekaranta shabda is not there, that's what we saw. Okaranta, go shabda we saw. Then this particular sutra which comes only for Okaranta, that also we saw. And the go shabda was finished. Gahu gao gavah gam gao gaha. The nidvat bhava was done, and because of nidvat bhava, the anit karya, which is antya vruddhi achoyaniti, by that sutra we did, and we got the gauhu gavav gavaha. Then there was we did the nit karya was not done in the case of and shas, autom shasoho. The akara ekadesha was brought in the place of o and a. O of go shabda and a of pratyaya. A came gam, and the bahuvachana go and shas, the akara of shas and okara of go shabda, both of them were replaced by a. Gaha, the sa turning into visarga, we got gaha form. And dvivachana was out pratyaya, so normal it was nidvat bhava was done, and because of nidvat bhava antya vruddhi took place. The okara turned into aukara. After that hoyavayavaha gavo, that form we got. Then further it was simple prakriya. Go plus a gava ayadhyadesha gobhyam gobhi. Go plus a gave ayadhyadesha gobhyam gobhyah. Go plus ngasi, here the ngasi asoscha sutra was applied, and because the anga was enganta, therefore purva rupa ekadesha happened. So the o and the as akara, both of them were replaced by okara, which is purva rupa. Same thing happened with the shashti vibhakti ekvachan. Panchami vibhakti dvivachan and bahuvachan, nothing happened. Gobhyam gobhyah. Shashti vibhakti dvivachan, os just hoyavayava happened, and ayadhyadesh we did with that sutra. Gavoho, after gavos sakara turned into rutva and visarga. Gavam, there was no any sutra to bring the nut etc. So just ayadhyadesha happened, and gavam form we got shashti vibhakti bahuvachan. Gavi saptami vibhakti ekvachan, ni becomes e, and then there also just hoyavayavaha. Gavoho, same prakriya as shashti vibhakti dvivachan. Goshu, no prakriya, just simply connect. Adesha pratyayo, that sutra comes adesha pratyayo and sa turns into sha. He gavu he gavo he gavaha, just prathama vibhakti only, no change, no sambuddhi vishishta karya is there. So that's how go shabda was over. Then there is shabda rai. Now after go shabda, the aikaranta shabda is taken, which is rai. Rai is wealth, dhanam. Now that is supposed to be declined. It is aikaranta pullinga, Rai, dhana, su. This is where we are supposed to work. Now here, starting with this itself, the first sutra is applied here. So let's read sutra and we will see the karya. Rayo hali, rayo hali, rayo hali, rayah hali. Rayah hali, akara desha syat. This is the statement. Mula vritti, we can take this. What is the vritti? Akara desha syat. This is main statement. May akara adesha happen. What is the sthani? So it is saying that rayah, in the place of raya. Raya is actually rai shabda. Shashti vibhakti ekvachan becomes rayah. That we are going to see here. It is raya. Shashti vibhakti ekvachan. So raya, in the place of raya. So we know that when it is mentioned in Shashti, it is not to the whole word but to the last letter of that shabda. What is the last letter of that shabda? Original shabda is rai. That is the and I. So I is the last letter of rai. That I will get replaced by akara adesha. Akara will come in the place of I. Rayah akaradeshah syat. And what is the condition? Nimitta. So nimitta is hali vibhaktau. When there is haladi vibhakti pratyaya in front of rai shabda. If there is any pratyaya which is vibhakti saudnyaka and it is beginning with hal, that means consonant, then the aikara of rai will be replaced by akara. That is the meaning. Now this is rai shabda ending with aikara getting followed by su, which is haladi vibhakti. Hal vibhakti. Sa comes in the hal. So ra, I, sa, ra, a, sa. Sutra is rayo hali. By this sutra, we replaced aikara by akara and we get ras. Then raru, rar. And form is ready after doing kharavasana visarjaniya. Just aikara we have to replace by akara. That's it. That is the karya. Just we have to see if the vibhakti is starting with hal. That is the sutra. That's it. And now we can decline the whole rai shabda using this sutra and whatever the sutras we have learned. No any extra sutra will be introduced. This ekvachana is clear.
Yes.
Now let's continue our journey. Rai, dhana, au. What will happen?
Ra.
Yes, no. I will be replaced by? No. How?
Sorry, this is not hal.
So?
Echo eva eva?
Echo eva eva, just simply echo eva eva. नो विशिष्ट प्रक्रिया. Right. What will happen here?
Rai plus us.
Same H-O-Y-A.
H-O-Y-A-V. I. Then us. Rayas will turn into Rayaru. Will turn into Rayar. And then final form we will get Kharvasana Visarjaniyah Rayah. Right? Dhana correct.
Rayo Halli.
No, Rayo Halli. Why Rayo Halli will come?
Rayam.
Here also H-O-Y only happens. But now question is, why not Amipurvaha?
Amipurva is only for Adanta Anga.
No, it is applicable in the Hari also, Ikarantanga also. We did Hari, Dhana, and the form was Harim. How did we get this? Doing Amipurva
It's
only.
Akaha Ami.
Correct.
When
It is
Akara is followed by Ami.
Amipurva
Then
is.
That Purva Rupa will be Ekadesha. Purva Rupa will become. It is not Ak. I is not Ak Pratyahara.
Correct. This I is not included in Ak. I will Ruk. That's it. Then I falls different from this. So therefore Amipurva iti Akah paratah Amipare sati. Akah Amipare sati. Sati Rupa. Ikaras Tavad. Aikara is not included in Ak. That's it. That is the reason why Amipurva is not applicable here. If I type too fast, then that Bhashayami stops working after some time.
Your cursor is somewhere else.
Here.
How you type it?
I turn that Bhashayami off and then again start.
Narayan, you can do some copy paste. Lot of these sutras are repeat.
Yes,
you keep them in your notepad somewhere and just copy paste. You will save so much typing, your keyboard will last longer.
Sorry.
And your fingers also will last longer.
Yes, Swami. So, Harim and Rayam. Rayam is the form we did. Rai, then out. No, simply Ayadi Adesha. Here also we will do. And Rayo, just like the Prathama Vibhakti Dvivachana form. Then Rai, Dhana Shas. Same prakriya which we did. Ayadi Adesha. Rayas. Rayah. Rai, Dhana Ta. What will happen here? No Vishishta Karya. HOYAVA only. Is ready? Raya. Rai, Dhanabhyam.
Rayohali Sutra to be applied.
Here Rayohali will be applied. Ra, I, A will come in the place of I. Bhyam. Sutra is Rayo. Hali. Form will be Abhyam. Rai, Dhanabhis. Same prakriya. Yes. Abhi, Rayohali Sutra will be applicable. Rai, Dhana, Nge.
Raye.
Again HOYAVA. Raye. No Vishishta prakriya. Rai, Dhanabhyam. Rayohali. I will turn into Akara.
Raye. I hope students remember what is Raye. Where does it come?
Shavasya.
Agnya Naya Supatha Raye.
Rai Asman. That Abhyam. Rayo Hali. Again Rai, Dhanabhyas. Rayo Hali. Aikara will turn into Akara. Rabhyah. Sasajushoruhu Karavasanayor Visarjaniyah. Then Rai, Dhana, Ngasi. As will remain. Ra, I, Dhana, As. I will be replaced by I. Ra, I. By HOYAVA. As is there. Rayas is there. Rayas will turn into Rayaru, Sasajushoruhu, Rayar, Upadeshajam Nasikahit, and then finally Karavasana Visarjanyaha Rayah. Rai, Dhanabhyam, again Rayo Hali. ह्यस् राभ्यः रै धनङस्. What will happen here?
As HOMIva.
Correct. Vayavayavah, and we will get Rayah, same form. Rai, Dhana, Os. Hoyavayavah only. Rayoho. Right? Dhana, Am. Hoyavayavah. Form is ready. Rayam. Rai, Dhana, Ni. Hoyavayavah. Rayi. Rai, Dhana, Os. Hoyavayavah. Rayoho. Rayos. Rayoru, Rayor, Rayoho. Form is ready. Rayoho. Rai, Dhana, Sup. Here.
Rayohali.
Rayo, Ali. Yeah. Rasu. Rasu. The Sambodhana also is just as it is, no Vishishta Prakriya is there. So the whatever the Prathama Vibhakti was there, same will be there. Rai, Dhana, Su. Here Rayo, Hali will be applicable. Sa is included into Hal. So Ra, I, Ra, Ra, A. Sa. Sutra is Rayo, Hali. Form is ready. Raha. And for Sambodhana we will give He Raha. And Au. Ayadi Adesha will do. Form will be ready. Rayo. Right. Now just Ja will disappear by Tasya Lopa, getting its Saudhya by Chutu. Form will be Raya. Sambodhana He. He Raya. He Raha. He Rayo. He Raya. So Rai Shabda is over. Here is the full Shabda. Raha, Rayo, Rayah, Rayam, Rayo, Rayah. Raya, Rabhyam, Rabhi, Raye, Rabhyam, Rabhya, Rayah, Rabhyam, Rabhya, Rayah, Rayo, Rayam, Ray, Rayo, Rasu, Heraha, Herayo, Heraya. Only Prathama Vibhakti, Ekvachan, Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Dvivachan, Bahuvachan, Saptami, Bahuvachan. These are the places where Rayo Hali Sutra is applicable. Everywhere else, Ayadi Adesha has happened by Hoyavayavah. That's it. Using these two sutras, we get full Shabda specifically. Otherwise, Sasarusharu, Kharavasana, Usarga, Visarjaniya, these sutras are all there only. So, Rai Shabda, with this Rai Shabda, Aikaranta Pullinga is over. Okay. Rabhyam. अस्य अस्य रायः इति शब्दस्य रायः रै इति शब्दस्य हलादौ विभक्तौ आकारः एकादेशः स्यात् आकारः आदेशः स्यात् राः रायो रायः राभ्याम् इत्यादि it is said राभ्याम् इत्यादि then after that there is no specific word then with that ityadi aikaranta shabdas are over then next shabda is aukaranta so glove is aukaranta shabda available for us what is the prakriya for glove how will we decline so far we have not seen any specific sutra for aukaranta shabda so whatever sandhi sutras we have learnt with those sutras we have to decline it what will happen here
Lahu.
will be applicable no just sasayushoru kharavasanaru visarjaniyah gloves sasayushoru गौरु देशजन्नासिके तस्य लोपः ग्लौर खरवसानयोर् विसर्जनीयः सूत्र the form is ग्लौः next ग्लौ धन औ
Glavau.
ग्लौ why dirghadesha will not happen here how is the form
Dirgha?
huh
How is Dirgha only? No?
yeah in the case of a and a both of them are dirghas and yet the answer is so dirghadesha takes place there
It is not akaha. Au is not akaha.
correct akah savarne dirgha so it should be ak then savarna dirgha takes place this is not ak so savarna dirgha will not take place the av form is ready glavau Now, then jas ja will disappear chutu tasya lopah and then the hoyavayavah avadesha will happen in the place of au will get form glavah lau dhana then amipurva will not be applicable because there also aka is required so therefore just ayade adesha will happen that is the prapta and we will get glavam just same prakriya what we did for rai shabda again glove dhana out the prakriya which we did for prathama dvivachana same prakriya we will do form will be glavo ayade adesha will happen glove shas sha will disappear by tasya lopah getting saudnya it lashakvatadhite again ichoyavayavah will get form glavah prathama vibhakti bahuvachan dvitiya vibhakti bahuvachan same forms glove ta will disappear by chutu tasya lopah the aukara will get replaced by av hoyavayavah glava form we will get glava and bhyam rayo hali will not be applicable here because this is not rai shabda it is glove so glove bhyam nothing just connect them glove bhyam glove bhis connect them glove bhi ससजुषोरुः खरवसानयोर् विसर्जनीयः. That will be the word. ग्लौ धनङ्ञे चतुर्थी विभक्ति एक वचन. म will disappear, a will remain. Again ho यवायावः. ग्ल आव ए ग्लावे form will be ready. ग्लौ धनभ्याम विशेष प्रक्रिया ग्लौभ्याम. ग्लौ धनभ्यस् ग्लौभ्यः ससजुषोरुः खरवसानयोर् विसर्जनीयः. ग्लौ धनङसि us will remain, nga will disappear, e will disappear, ho yava will take place, and we will get just like prathama vibhakti bahuvachan, dvitiya vibhakti bahuvachan, panchama vibhakti bahuvachan. Glau dhanabhyam Rupa is ready. Glaubhyam. Glau dhanabhyas no prakriya ससजुषोरुः खरवसानयोर् विसर्जनीयः. ग्लौभ्यः. ग्लौ धन us will remain, nga will disappear, ho yavayavah form is ready. ग्लावः. प्रथम विभक्ति बहुवचन, द्वितीय विभक्ति बहुवचन, पंचमी एक वचन, षष्ठी एक वचन. ग्लौ धन ओस ho यवायावः ससजुषोरुः खरवसानयोर् विसर्जनीयः. ओहो. ग्लौ धन आम ho यवायावः. That's it. Form is ready. ग्ल आव आम ग्लावाम. ग्लौ धनङि न will disappear लशक्व तद्धिते तस्य लोपः. ग्लौ ई ग्ल औ ई ग्ल आव ई ग्लावी. Form is ready. ग्लावी. ग्लौ धन ओस just ayade adesha we will do and we will get from glavoho. Glavos, glavoru, glavor, glavah, glavoho. Glau dhana sup. Here what will happen? Huh?
We will get Itsanya.
Yeah.
Sa will get Lukara.
Huh?
Sa will get Lukara. Dasajushoru.
No, it is Saptami Vibhakti Bahuvachan.
It will be Glausu.
No. It will not happen. What will happen here? It is Su. Saptami Vibhakti Bahuvachan. So Su will remain, obviously. It's not that Ukara will disappear from it.
Sa will get Lopa.
No. Why?
No, Glaushu.
Glaushu. In. Anga is Innanta. So Adesha Pratyaya will be applicable.
Okay.
And we will get Shu. Adesha Pratyayayoho. Ready? Glaushu. Prathama Vibhakti, as it is, we have to take Glaudhanasu. Ready? He. Glauhu. Glaudhana au. ho yavayavah form is ready. He ग्लावौ धनजस चोयवायावः फॉर्म इज रेडी ए ग्लावः शब्द इज ओवर सो ग्लौहु ग्लावौ ग्लावः ग्लावम ग्लावौ ग्लावः ग्लावा ग्लौभ्यम ग्लौभिः ग्लावे ग्लौभ्यम ग्लौभ्यः ग्लावः ग्लौभ्यम ग्लौभ्यः ग्लावः ग्लावोः ग्लावाम ग्लावी ग्लावोः ग्लौषु हे ग्लौहु हे ग्लावौ हे ग्लावः just sandhi karya no specific karya is mentioned for here for rayohali sorry for ray shabda rayohali akara adesh was happening when there were haladi pratyay in front of it here they are ग्लौहु ग्लावो ग्लावः ग्लावम ग्लावो ग्लावः ग्लावा ग्लावे ग्लावः ग्लावः ग्लावोः ग्लावम ग्लावी ग्लावोः हे ग्लावोः हे ग्लावः everywhere else just as it is shabda no problem so glow shabda is over here the glow shabda is clear yes.
Yes, sir.
So with glow shabda our ajanta pullinga prakarana is over so aikaranta shabda is done aukaranta shabda is also done here there is glaubhyam ityadi glauhu glavau glavah glaubhyam glava glaubhyam glaubhihi ityadi with this aukaranta pullinga shabda is also over rarely these words will be used but these are some of the important shabdas so that's why they are given not ekaranta shabda is mentioned here but that is also sometimes the Siddhanta Kaumadikara will mention. But here, Ajanta Pullinga Prakarana is over. Let's start Ajanta Strilinga Prakarana. So, Ajanta Strilinga Prakarana, obviously there is no Akaranta Shabda. So, we will start with Akaranta Shabda. We had seen in Ajanta Pullinga Prakarana, after akaranta shabda we had seen akaranta shabda vishwapa etc ha ha vishwapa these shabdas now here akaranta is the strilinga shabda strilinga shabdas will be dirgha akaranta then hrasva ikaranta dirgha ikaranta then rikaranta shabdas also will be there but they will turn into dirgha ikaranta only so most of the shabdas are dirgha ikaranta and akaranta strilinga shabdas so let's see the first shabda akaranta shabda the rama shabda is taken rama dhanasu now what will happen here prakriya correct so rama then a sa is there sa will get aprukta saudhnya then rama sa will disappear by sutra hal ni apyah from this shabda should be halanta shabda should be nyanta or abanta this shabda is abanta all akaranta strilinga shabdas are considered as abanta aba is one of the stri pratyaya I will explain so rama is the form ready that's it now any akaranta shabda akaranta strilinga that shabda has to end with either tap or dap or chap. Dap, dap, chap. These are the akaranta stri pratyas which will give the strilingatva to that shabda. Now any shabda, if you want the strilinga form of that particular shabda, we will add either tap or dap or chap. With this, the result always will be akaranta shabda only. Okay. Now in general, it is considered, or in general, all of these pratyas are addressed with ap shabda. Okay, because in all the pratyas there is ap, ap, ap. So they are talked as ap. Then there are strilinga other pratyas which are nip, then nish, then nin. Nip, nish, nin. All of these are also strilinga pratyas, and everywhere there is ni, so they will be talked or they will be indicated using just ni. So any akaranta strilinga shabda, that will be just mentioned using ap shabda and ni shabda if it is ikaranta shabda. Hal, ni and ap, bhyah, that's what it is said. Now all of this ni and ap, both of them are pratyayas. So by whenever the pratyay is mentioned, we have to understand the pratyayanta. So ni is mentioned, that means ni pratyayanta. Ap is mentioned, here we have to understand ap pratyayanta. So ap pratyayantat apruktasya sakarasya lopasya. Halnyabhyah. Then there is dirghat apruktam hal. So see iti etasya apruktam hal lupyate. And one more thing we have to remember, that there will be sometimes shabda ending with ap or ni, and yet it will not be dirgha. It will, the originally ap will leave the a at the end and ni will leave the e, dirgha e at the end. Both of them are dirgha. Now sometimes due to the some other prakriya, the word turns into hraswanta. These are the dirgha, but yet the shabda turns into hraswa. Now when it turns into hraswa, at that time, though it is abanta, but it is not dirgha abanta, therefore the hal does not get disappeared. So this dirghat shabda we have to remember when we are applying this sutra. So Rama, Prathama Vibhakti was done. Now Rama, Dhana, Au. We have seen this prakriya. This is just revision. What will happen here? So first sutra comes. Let's read. Aunga apaha, aunga apaha, aunga apaha. Here I will write. Rama, Dhana, Au. Au and out, Prathama Vibhakti Dvivachan and the Dvitiya Vibhakti Dvivachan. These two words are named as aung. Aung is equal to au and out. Aung iti aukara vibhaktehe saudhnya. Aung is the name. Aung iti saudhnya. Kasya? Aukara vibhaktehe, the vibhakti pratyaya which is in the form of aukara. What are the aukara vibhakti pratyayas? So au and out. Prathama vibhakti dvivachan, dvitiya vibhakti dvivachan. These are the two pratyayas in the form of aukara. So aukara vibhaktehe aung iti saudhnya. Okay? So something is named as aung. So au and out is named as aung. Now using this aung shabda, Maharishi Panini ji is creating sutra. What is the sutra? Sutra is aungaha apaha. Aungaha sthane. She syat. She syat is the main vakya. May she come. In the place of what? In the place of aung. What is aung? Au and out. So au and out will be replaced by she. Au will turn into she. Again, out also will turn into she. Dirgha ikaranta. Okay. Aungah she syat. This much is clear. What are the conditions? So conditions are given. Abantat angat parasya aungah. That aung should not be any ordinary. The aung had come in the in front of rai shabda also, glav shabda also. This sutra is not applicable there. But where abanta, anga should be abanta. Abantat angat. Abantat angat aungah sthane shisyat. Not anywhere else. Parasya shabda is for clarity. Abantat angat parasya aungah. Parasya aungah षष्ठी विभक्ति एकवचन, षष्ठी विभक्ति एकवचन. Sthane, because there is no relation. Shashti sthane yoga. She syat. She will come in the place of aung. So our example. This is the meaning of sutra. Aunga apa is the sutra. This much only is there. Remaining shabdas are added by Granthakara, by Anuvritti, etc. So au and she, au and out, both of them will be replaced by she. Our example was Rama Dhana out. What will happen here? Rama Dhana she by current sutra. Aunga apa. Next will be Rama Dhana Sha will disappear. Dirgha E will remain. Sutra was Lashakva Tadhite. By Lashakva Tadhite, Sha was named as It. Tasya Lopaha, the disappearance of that It Saudnyaka happened. Now Rama Dhana E. This is the situation in front of us. What will happen now? Guna will take place. This is Akarantanga, Akarantat. This Ikara is coming. Both of them will disappear. And Ekara, which is the Guna, that will come in the place of both of them, will get form is ready. Rame. Rama, Rame. Rama, Dhanajas. Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachan. What will happen here? Rama, us. Next. Akasavarna Dirgha. I will separate it. A will disappear. A will also disappear. So will remain. Varna Dirgha will come. Rama. What will happen here? A. A will come. A. Ready? Rama. Rama, Dhana out. What will happen here?
Aungapah.
Aungapah, by that out is replaced by she. A, E. What will happen here now? Sutra is
Adguna.
Adgunah. Rame. Rama. What will happen here?
Ramaha.
Yeah, Ramaha is the form. Purva Savarna Dirgha will take place. But Chasona Punsi is not applicable here. It is not pulling. So Ramaha. Next will be Rama Dhanata. Here the prakriya comes. One sutra is getting introduced. Till that we will continue. Rama Na A will disappear by Chu and Lopaha. Now what happens? The sutra is coming. Here we didn't take the Sambodhana. We will take Sambodhana. That time this sutra will come. Let's read the 218 sutra. Here we are. I will type the prakriya where we are. Rama Dhana Ta. Ta disappeared by Chutu Tasya Lopaha. Rama Dhana A. This is the condition. Let's read the sutra. Angi Chapaha. Angi Chapaha. Angi Chapaha. Angi Cha Apaha. Now this Ang is another name. Ang is equal to Ta. Ang is the name given to the Tritiya Bhakti Ekvachana Pratyaya. Okay. Now this sutra is bringing Ekara Adesha in the place of Akara. When there is Ang Pratyaya, Ekarah Syat, main Vakya. When or where, what is the location, what is the nimitta? So here little bit difficult is there. Osi, Angi, Cha, आपः एकारस्य. There is os pratyaya and there is ang pratyaya. For now we are talking about ang pratyaya. When there is ang pratyaya in front of ap pratyaya, angi pare sati, forget about the cha sometime. Apah ekarah syat, in the place of ap, ekara will come. This is the meaning of sutra. OC we will see. OC sutra is also there, that came in the akaranta pullinga prakriya. For now we need this much meaning. Angi pare sati apah ekarah syat. There is ang in front of abanta shabda. So apah akarah will be replaced by ekarah. So rama a, ram a, dhana a, ram a will be replaced by ekara. So ekara will come. A sutra is angi chapah. Angi chapah is angi cha apah. That is the meaning. Splitting. Now ram a, this is the condition. That's it. This sutra is applied, and now the sadharana sandhi karya will happen. What will happen here?
Rame dhana a.
Echo yavayavah. Ay dhana a. Form is ready. Ramaya. Okay. Now just here the sutra angi cha apah. So apah angi pare sati ekarah syat. This is simple meaning. Apah angi pare sati ekarah syat. This is the meaning what we need. Now this is the sequence of sutras. This is, if you see, 7, 3, 105, 106. Sambuddhaucha is 106. This is 105, and there is order only. This is the sutra which first time introduces ekara. Atah angasya et syat. Here it is. The ekara is introduced. Okay. Now ekara is being discussed. The adesha is ekara, and sutras are in the order. Bahuvachane jhali et. So akarasya angasya. The akara is the anuvritta here. Ato dirgho yahi. From this sutra, akara will come in this sutra. So ataha bahuvachane jhali ekarah syat. Et is ekarah syat. Ataha osi pare api ekarah syat. So that's how we had got Rama os rame os ramayos ramayoho. Here that's how akaranta shabda was declined. Ataha bahuvachane jhali et syat. Ataha osi et syat. Angi cha apah. Now how will we complete sutra? Apah angi cha ekarah syat. Now osi cha sutra also will come. So apah osi ekarah syat. Apah angi cha ekarah syat. Combining two sutras, that cha will take osi also. So when there is os pratyaya in front of abanta shabda will become ekaranta. When there is ta, which is tritiya bhakti ekvachana pratyaya in front of abanta shabda, akara will be replaced by ekara. So these are the in the same order. And then next sutra, sambuddhaucha, and when there is sambuddhi pratyaya in front of ap, means abant shabda, then also akara will be replaced by ekara. So this is the order of these sutras. So bunch of sutras we can remember together. Ato dirgho yahi supicha बहुवचने झल्लेत ओसीचा आगे चापा संबुद्धौचा. All these sutras are doing ekara karya. So this is the Pratyabha.
Supicha is only dirgha adesh, right?
Yeah, supicha is doing dirgha adesh. Ato dirgho yahi supicha dirgha syat.
So ekara adesha comes from bahuvachana jalya.
Bahuvachane jalya. Ekara is introduced here and it will get continued till sambuddhaucha. Then hraswa will start with ambarthanadyor hraswa. It will get over with that only. Hraswasya gunaha. Now guna adesha is continuing. Gunaha, jasicha gunaha. Then it is stopped by jasicha there itself. Rutongi sarvanama sthanayoho. That is that is different. No, guna only. Rutongi sarvanama sthanayoho. It will continue. Jasicha rutongi sarvanama sthanayoho. Gunaha. Ghergiti gunaha. Now this an is introduced newly. So till ghergiti guna adesha will continue as adesha, anuvritti. The sutra and form is clear.
Yes, ji.
This OC is from that sutra. That's it I wanted to show. So it will get repeated in Shashti Vibhakti Dvivachana and Saptami Vibhakti Dvivachana. Same sutra. Should we do Shanti Path Swamiji?
Yes, yes.
Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om Swamiji.